Hey guys, welcome back to Apollo Crypto Traders YouTube channel. In this video, I want to take you through strategy that most people have been asking me which one to set from Apollo trading bot. So in this video, I am going to give you the one that I'm using for trading. I'm just testing them, which one is the best. But currently in this video, I'm going to give you that one that I think is good for you if you are busy, you don't have time to analyze coins, you don't have time to be in the robot, but you want really to trade and earn money when you are offline. So here in this video, I am going to show you that strategy. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, welcome back once again to Apollo Crypto Traders YouTube channel. If you're new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video, and also sharing it to all the people you have invited into Apollo Trading Board. Now, the strategy that most people have been asking me about spot indicators and features indicators. And for today's video, I recommend you to use features indicators and spot indicators only if you don't have time to analyze coins. Now, if you want to trade using features or spot indicators, you can just go like, for example, I want to use features indicators for this video tutorial. So I'm going to come to features indicators strategy, then I tap on it. Now, when it opens for me like this, there are these coins that you can see and I can arrange them the way I want. Then I'm going to select the coin. For example, I want this one. So it doesn't matter that you select the coin which is doing well or doing bad. You can select any coin. Then after you selecting, you're going to tap on confirm. Now when you tap on confirm, you're going to see that in this strategy, there is CTA shock, CTA break, and CTA trend. Now in the previous video when I talked about spot and features indicator strategy, it was not having CTA break, but it had CTA shock and CTA trend. So these CTS break have been added. Now how do you set this coin in case you want to set? Now if you want to set, like for example, you want to set CTA shock or CTA trend, so you're going to be like you want to set a coin, you can just leave it there. Now for me, since I don't know more about the scale line cycle, ball basis, RSI cycle, so I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. Now what I will need you to do, in case you also don't know like I don't know, just leave here the way it is. Or if you have much money, like you have higher capital, you can increase it or you leave it the way it is. Now in trading with Apollo trading bot, the minimum amount for you to start is 20, so you must be having 20. Now if you have like you have $10, you have $5, you can trade with features indicators with a capital of with a initial position of 20. Now you're going to leave it there. Then another thing you're going to change is the orders. So you're going to tap here, then you remove, you reduce, or you increase the way you want according to your capital. Now for example, me, I don't have much capital, so I'm going to put it once so that it buys only the first buying only and it doesn't buy again. Now after me setting these two, which is initial position and orders, I am now going to scroll it up, and from here I am going to change few things. Now if you want to manage down here, you can turn off this AI mode, just tapping on it. Now when you tap on it, you can see that these ones now you can also be in position to change, you can see. But me, I don't want to change. Me, I like leaving the robot to do everything for me. Now if I put it like this, the other thing is here I am going to leave it the way it is. The direction I'm going to leave it the way it is, so that the AI will see that this coin is good to buy in a long, or it is good to buy in short, and it buys for you automatic. Then now I will come to leverage. To leverage here, I'm going to put 20 or 10 if I have small capital. Like currently I have small capital, so I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put it 10 or 20, or I leave it at 5. But if you have much capital, just put it 1x or 3x to reduce on the chances of your account being liquidated. Now you're going to put it, for example, let me put it at 5. Then the running mode here, the running mode, I'm going to put it in cycle. You can put it in single, but I encourage you to put in cycle. This is because if you put in single, remember this coin, it is going to buy and set both the stop loss. You can see it here, the stop loss and take profit. Now when it sets these two, the take profit and the stop loss, the coin may go against you and it sells in loss. So if you had put it in single, it is going to sell on loss and close that trade and it disappears. But if you put it in cycle, it is going to sell that coin on loss and remains there to wait to monitor the market, then enters again in the right time. But when it sells in profits, when you put it in single, it is going to sell and you get your profit and it close. But if you put it in cycle and it sells in a profit, it is going to sell and again wait and enter again at the right time. Now after me setting like that, now all I need is just to tap on start. You can see, as simple as that, and you've already set your coin. Now you can see that now me here I have a balance of $19, but I'm trading with 57, meaning I am using a leverage. That is what it is. That is what is helping me to trade. Then if you want to change, like for example, you can see all these coins are now in shock. If I want maybe to change this one in trend or break, I'll just tap on it. Then you come to edit. Then all we need is only to change the strategy type to trend. Then I click on update. Now when you update, you're going to see that this one has changed to CTA trend. That is just how simple you're going to trade. Now you can see, like for example, these 3 coins that I'm trading, this one is in positive 7, is in green 7.96, meaning this is the profit I have earned from here. Then this one also, this is the profit, and this is also the profit. But why this one is red? Because this floating loss is higher than the profits that I have got from that coin. So I'm going to stop this one. I want to trade only 3 coins because my capital is very small. So if we come and click on logs, you're going to see that some of my coins sold on loss. So this is when I started this account again. This is from 4th of June 2025. It bought bonk, bought AP, bought mask, OM, and mask. So I was trading these 4 coins, 1 2 3 4, yes. Then bonk sold, mask sold, OM sold. You can see. Then here we have again OM bought and sold. Then AP sold on loss because it had bought the coin to go on long, but the coin went against the market and changed to short. That's why it sold this one on loss. That is how this trade is. So I am monitoring it and I'm seeing how it is. It shows like this strategy is doing well currently, but of course remember it is going to set both the stop loss and the take profit. And if you get some coins that are doing good, please don't change that strategy. And also the strategy that I want to at least to tell you that the strategy from this features indicator, which is doing well for me among CTA shock, break, and the trend, the best strategy which is doing well for me is CTA shock and trend. Break has been doing many sales on loss. That's why you're seeing that these coins, I'm trading them all on shock. Next time when I add my capital, or when my capital goes to some 20 something, I will add another coin on trend. So that is how it is. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also comment. Let's meet in the next coming video.